So here we have an arithmetic series. It's given here that 54 plus 51 plus 48 and some other terms, when they are added, gives us the value 513. So we need to find out the total number of terms present in the given series. So let's begin. So here we have our first term. So our first term is 54. Now the common difference D will be, so we'll consider 51 minus 54. So this is going to give us negative 3. So our common difference is negative 3, and the sum up to n terms, so we have to find out the value of n. The sum up to n terms is 513. So using all these information, we need to obtain the number of terms present in the given arithmetic series. So let's do that. Now we're going to use the formula for Sn. So we know that Sn is given by n over 2 multiplied to 2a plus n minus 1 times the common difference d. Now Sn, so this is given as 513, which will be equals to n over 2 multiplied to 2 times a. So we have 2 multiplied to 54 plus n minus 1 times the common difference, that's negative 3. Right. So we'll cross multiply 2 with 513. So this is going to give us a value 1026, which will be equal to n multiplied 2. So here we have 54 times 2, so that's going to be 108. Then we have negative 3n plus 3, which is 126 equals to n times, so we're 108 plus 3, so that's 111 minus 3n. So we have 1026 equals to 111n minus 3n squared, and rearranging the terms, we are going to get 3n squared minus 111n plus 1026, that's equals to 0. So if we factor out 3, so we're going to get n squared minus 37n plus 342 equals to 0. So since 3 cannot be equals to 0, this would mean that n squared minus 37n plus 342 equals to 0. So this is actually the factor n minus 18 times n minus 19, which will be equals to 0. So solving for n, we get either n equals to 18 or n equals to 19. But we have here two terms, so that means there are two values of n. That means we could have either 18 or 18 terms, or we could have 19 terms. The meaning behind this is, let's try to find out the value of nth term. So let's say the nth is the 19th term. So the 19th term will be a plus 19 minus 1 times the common difference d. So our a value is 54. So we have 54 plus 19 minus 1. So that's 18. 18 multiplied to negative 3. So this gives us 54 minus 18 times 3 is 54. So we're 54 minus 54 equals to 0. So that means the 19th term. So in a given series, our series is 54 plus 51 plus 48. So let me show it here. So we have 54 plus 51 plus 48. So we go. So here we will have the 18th term, and then we have our 19th term. Now since our 19th term, this value is 0. So that means if we take the sum from the first term 54 to the 18th term, this is going to give us a value 513. And if we also include 19th term, then this will be also 513, since the 19th term is equals to 0. Hence we are getting n equals to 18 as well as 19.